Okay, we're looking at the rear bed for the Land Rover. This is repaired and ready to be painted and then proceed with reassembly. So the steps here, the remaining spots in here are filled with aluminum epoxy. This is all good across the back here. These are new corners and tops put on. The tops are separated from the aluminum with 3M clear film, which is a significant additional protective step that we now do. The openings for the tail lights are now opened up because the new lights don't fit the old holes. So all this riveting, all this work is new. Over here, there's some body repair where the corner was damaged. Up in here, in my previous report, I had shown that these areas here were rotted out where the body mounts are, and that's obviously important, where the bed attaches to the chassis behind the seats, and that has all been remade. So you can see it's all done in primer now. And the next view of this is going to be when it is, painted green. Underneath, we are all, we're all ready to spray this in bed liner, which will happen after using joint sealer to protect the underside joints from taking in water and corroding. So this is going to have significantly better corrosion protection than it had when it left the factory, and as you can see, it's looking much more structurally sound now.